Hey, Vsauce! Michael's losing his annotations here. Ah, yes. It is sad to say that so many of the most brilliant minds on this site who have spent their years relying on annotations are going to have a large portion of their work left incomplete. However, there is something you can do to somewhat mitigate the damage. Introducing the Backup Channel Annotations tool. With this, given the URL of a channel, a video from that channel, or the user, you should be able to rescue the videos on that channel and their annotations. And the videos that are linked to from their annotations. Now, first of all, let's try to get the upload playlist for Vsauce. And here we get a warning saying that I have a hunch that this playlist has been scanned before. We're going to ignore that again, because Vsauce is a very popular channel. The only time you really want to pay attention to this is if it's someone who has around 200 subscribers, but you really wanted to make sure they were backed up, in which case it's supposed to serve the purpose of not repeatedly scanning the same person. So let's go. This way we'll get to see how many videos Vsauce has in total. 377. I would have expected more. They probably deleted a few along the way. And here we see their first upload and latest upload date. Now we can optionally specify an interval for the videos to be scanned. By default, the earliest start date can be the epoch of YouTube, and the latest, the day after annotation editing was removed back in 2017. So let's try something like 2010. January 1st, 2015, May 5th. And it'll take a few seconds to adjust the interval. Now, because this is the upload playlist, in many ways, this tool functions near identically to it. Similarly to the aforementioned tools, you can specify a limit to how many videos you want to scan in addition to the ones here. I'm just going to go with a measly 100. You had a few collaborations with Minute Physics, I think. Scan has been now limited to 411 videos. This is of course because we shrank the interval. So that's why it's not 477 as you may have expected. Would you like to only search for videos linked to within the same channel? As I've mentioned before, this is somewhat buggy, so I recommend you don't use it. Unless, of course, you trust the program more than I, as a developer of it, do. Again, with Mode 1 and Mode 2, Mode 1 is generally preferable. And there we go. And as always, thanks for watching.